Most people don't fail to change because they lack motivation. They fail because they want a brand new life, but they're trying to build it inside the exact same system that created their old one. New goals, same habits, same routine, same people, same self-image. And then they wonder why nothing is moving. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Transformation is not an emotional event, it's an architectural one. And 90 days is more than enough if you actually change the structure. If nothing around you changes, nothing inside you sustains. Here's exactly how you can rebuild yourself in the next 90 days. Step 1. Audit your life honestly, not optimistically. Real change begins with real clarity, the uncomfortable kind. Sit down and ask 3 specific questions. What is genuinely working in my life right now? What is quietly draining me that I keep tolerating? And what absolutely must be different 90 days from now? Don't be vague. I want a better life is useless. I need to reclaim my evenings, fix my finances, and distance myself from these specific situations. That's actionable. Precision is what sets you free. Step 2. Remove the physical evidence of your old identity. Your environment is not neutral. Your room, your phone, your wardrobe. They are all sending your nervous system signals about what kind of person you are. A cluttered space tells your brain to stay scattered. A phone that opens into noise makes intentional thinking nearly impossible. Before you add anything new, remove what is reinforcing the version of yourself you're trying to leave behind. Step 3. Make one visible shift that signals something has changed. Identity isn't only built from the inside. It's reinforced through your body, your appearance, and how you carry yourself. This doesn't mean a dramatic makeover. It means choosing one visible shift: your posture, how you dress, how you walk into a room, how you speak. That signals, I am no longer available to the old script. Step 4. Turn your calendar into a behavioral weapon. The most honest reflection of your real priorities isn't your intentions, it's your calendar. If health matters, where is the movement? If skills matter, where is the practice? If financial growth matters, where is the review time? For the next 90 days, build non-negotiables, not aspirations, because desire without architecture is just wishful thinking. Step 5. Audit the people around you. Some people are unconsciously invested in you staying the same, sometimes through jokes, sometimes by normalizing the exact behaviors you're trying to leave behind. You don't need to cut everyone off, but you do need to reduce access and be more selective about whose energy you absorb. People don't just give you company, they create your behavioral climate. Step 6. Rehearse the new version publicly before you feel ready. Most people wait to fully transform on the inside before showing up differently on the outside. But identity builds faster through action. If you want confidence, start speaking clearly now. If you want to be seen as disciplined, stop performing chaos. You don't need permission to start showing up as who you're becoming. Step 7. Document the process. The most common feeling during transformation is nothing is changing, but you just have no evidence. Keep notes. Track where you used to collapse and where you now recover faster. Confidence comes from proof. By day 90, the real win isn't that you look different. It's that your habits are no longer working against your goals. That coherence is what makes you unrecognizable. Not because you became perfect, but because you finally stopped leaving your life to chance. And that's all for today. If you like this content, please like this video, subscribe for more, and drop a comment on what you're reinventing about yourself in the next 90 days.